Well, folks, here we are. This is the prepper pantry. It's got 3 freezers in it right now. The vacuum cleaner, the things I don't want freezing. But we're getting to the point where this wall is going to get reframed and the utilities moved, I think tomorrow. And then this wall I painted white today so we can push the freezers back against it. And I'm starting to seal the floor. What I've done is sealed enough of a space so that when this dries, the freezers can push back permanently against this wall. And then I just need to seal this floor. So tomorrow we're getting the utilities and stuff moved, and then boom. The only places I need to worry about at this point is there's a little bit of access there where rodents could get in that will close up. And even that little hole where that electric wire is coming out where the conduit needs to go in, also rodents could come through there. So once it's done and the paneling's up, I can finally start putting stuff away over here. This is going to have paneling. That's going to have paneling. It's going to be amazing. I'm so excited.